Good morning, everyone. Today's workshop number 130 is titled Inverting the Workplace and how the stance build focus and resilience and productivity. And Nadine will lead this topic. Please proceed, Nadine. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ai, but you also can call me Nothing, and whatever you are comfortable with. And I'm currently doing a 5 month internship here as a part of my study, and I'm really happy to be part of today workshop. And I'm going to share about something quite personal. It's called like Inverting the Workplace, how the husband stay focused, resilient, and productivity. It's a fun topic, but also something that really helped me during my internship and even in my life. So yeah, so just to give a quick overview, I will be sharing how yoga, especially doing a handstand, helped me, and it taught me focus, calmness, and how to manage emotion. And it also gave me more confidence when I'm struggling in my internship. So let's start with handstand. Why a handstand? So it might look a bit scary for strength at first, but there are so many benefits, and it's actually bring more blood to your brain, and so you can feel more awake and focused. And then you have to stay clean even when things are upside down. So like literally, it's also known to release stress and improve your eyesight. So yeah, for me, it became more than just a yoga pose. How I get handstand, and this I will talk about my handstand journey and touch me focus, calmness, and how to manage my emotion. So when I first tried to do a handstand, it was very difficult, and I thought I will never be able to do it because standing upside down on my head is impossible. So yeah, for the first 1 week, I practiced slowly against the wall and focused on my breathing and reminded myself to stay clean. And I learned that rushing or getting nervous made me fall back. So yeah, if I breathe, stay clear, and if I breathe and focus and take it easy step by step, so I could improve. So this is the best key that I found the first 1 week. And also my teacher also gave me some yoga pose to help strengthen my core muscle during practicing, and I feel I improve a bit. And yeah, the next week my teacher asked me to try without the wall, and I told her I was scared of falling back and I didn't think I dared to try. And she encouraged me to try once. So okay, I tried once, and but I still very scared and worry about that I'm falling back, and I couldn't even lift my leg, and I lost my balance and fell back. And falling was is a bit scary problem for me, and cause it's caused back pain and make me more afraid of yoga. And then my teacher told me, if you are scared of falling, you have to fall a lot. Okay, then the more you fall, the less you scare. So you became so like the way you get used to it, and you will see falling is easy, and you will gain confidence to practice the handstand. So and then she said this is called pain and gain pain but again. So yeah, I thought back to myself about it, and I realized I was the best. This is the best, like the best way to learn. So I follow my teacher advice, and I didn't give it, and I kept practicing slowly without the wall and focusing on my breathing. And I stayed clean, and I felt that a lot, but every time I fail, my teacher what came to my mind. The more you fall, the less you scare you will be. So yeah, and after a while, I stopped thinking too serious about falling back, and I try again, and I feel more improved than last week. So after this week, I even started to enjoy falling back, and I felt like my falling was beautiful, and it's also helped me my back become more flexible. So then I was able to do a real handstand for at least real handstand for at least 1 minute, and when I felt bad, I was smiling instead of feeling scared. And then falling down became nothing to me, as like my teacher said, yeah, this is very bad game. So yeah, then every time I fall, I just smile. So after that, I ask myself, what did I learn from it? And I learned not to fear falling, and it gave me confidence. And now even if I fall, I know it's a part of practicing. So yeah, and I just mind it. And this mindset made me stronger and helped me keep practicing handstand. Um, and then after about 2 weeks, I could finally do a handstand and beautiful, like a beautiful handstand. I was able to stay upside down for quite so long. So I felt so happy and proud of myself. Oh, I did it. And falling, but didn't scare me anymore. And even when I fall, I just smile because I knew it was a part of process. So my falling back was a smooth and nice. It's actually made my body more flexible also. So yeah, the experience really helped. Then the next, I will talking about how to connect to the modeler internship and yoga. So this experience really helped me in my be modeler internship also in the office. Sometimes I face difficult project and clash problem in the model, and I feel stressed because I'm still new. I don't know anything. So yeah, sometimes I don't know how to solve it also. So, but just like in the yoga, I remind myself to stay calm and think positive and focus on finding one solution at a time. And I have learned not to give up easily when something feels hard. And the more problem I face, the more experience and the confidence I gain. So yeah, this is the process. So I also learn when you are one like I also learn when you are learning new something new, so don't rush. So stay clean and take your time to understand it. But finishing then quickly is good, but rushing can cause more mistake, and in the end it takes even longer to fix done. So yeah. Um so just so this is here's my final wall. And so just do about yoga and what are actually very similar. They both help you grow, and you need patience, cleanness, and belief in yourself. So the most important thing, you must be a confident. So you will make mistake, you will struggle, but this is a part of your journey. And confidence comes when you face challenges and learn from them. So yeah. And for me, yoga didn't just make my body stronger, and it's also make my mind and superior stronger too. So yeah, this is my optional demo for you. And if anyone curious, if anyone want to try yoga, you can try at your house. And you just need mat and so yeah. But the, but make sure the area is safe, like no shade and dust around you. So like when you falling down, then you will be safe. So let me know after the call, and if you want to try, I will be happy to show and guide anyone if you want to try. So yeah, all right. This is the end of my sharing, and thank you so much for your time and thanks for listening. And if you have any question, you can feel free to us. Thanks.
Thank you, Rina. Do you have any questions? Thank you. If you don't have any question for this topic that can proceed in our model, please. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Nathan.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
Sharon.
Shara. Thank you, Tai.